Lily, the
dancing together.
spirit is moving me. Just sit still and let the spirit move you and see what happens. I see your lip quivering. You know you want to let loose. How
Ready?
loose is your goose?
Oh my God. Hello everyone, welcome back to Beauty Break. Today we're going to take on a new challenge.
Yes, and it's all about weird makeup specifically.
I was like, am I supposed to be finishing the sentence? I'm unsure what's going on. All the beauty gurus and people are doing full face of blank, full face of whatever.
We don't
I don't
even
really
know.
have examples because I don't know. All we know is weird makeup, and that's really what got us here to this point in our
It's our origin,
I was gonna say
truly.
career, but that feels like it's
We're just like
too much.
really too much. I got Michelle Obama on my shirt today. I'm feeling real
I'm wearing the
good.
wrong sweatshirt for the wrong show.
Oh, we're a mess.
Let's begin.
Let me just say, we've done so many specific episodes of weird makeup on the show. One of my
Yes.
favorites we ever did was all those weird mascaras.
I don't really remember
We're
that.
all like fibers and like putting weird stuff. I can remember what the thumbnail looks like. I don't really remember what the video is about at all, but I liked it.
Are you making a good face? Look like we're being the Californians when they look in the mirror. What are you doing here? That was the first time we ever, oh my goodness, it was the beginning of
Stuart.
prune. That was pre-prune. Wow.
Pre-prune.
Should that be how we categorize our shows? It's like BC.
Was it BC or? P.S. I got another message on Twitter yesterday from Prune Magazine.
You just high-fived me for that.
I know!
Yeah, good one.
We're like two bros being dudes being bros. Was it PP or AP? After prune or pre-prune? Or would it be B prune? Before prune? BP or AP?
What was PP? Pre-prune.
Did you guys start watching BP or AP?
Okay, eyebrows.
Let's start with a brand we've never heard of.
It's what we put on Sound Guy's head.
You just put a lot on.
Maybe, no, it's fine.
Oh, I love you guys. Topic, you cuties.
What's going on? I'm glad everyone else, yeah, I think we should cut too. What's going on? Oh my God, leave all of this in. She's so weird.
You guys, it's just like been a long, like solid decade. Bronzing face sheet mask. This sounds effing dangerous. Is this?
If you don't want to use it, I'd be happy to.
No, I'm ready for it.
So basically, we use Saint-Tropez tanning foam all the time.
Right.
And it's great. This is a sheet mask that apparently is gonna bronze your face.
Wow, and you leave it on 5 minutes for a light bronze, 10 minutes for a medium bronze, and 15 minutes for a dark bronze. What if I just did like, what fully
I would
tan?
recommend for a lot of reasons not to do that.
All right, so I'm just gonna do,
How long do you think?
I'm gonna do like, I mean, I feel like
10,
I'm already
15.
pretty tan. I've just been like on a lot of outdoor trips lately. It's just like a normal sheet mask, which I love a good sheet mask. You're supposed to have like a clean face and then put this puppy on, right? That's it. Wow, this really smells like tanner.
Does it? I don't like this.
Get
smell.
close, smell it. But like, it's not bad.
It smells like-
Saint-Tropez
it
has a
smells
good
like hand
scent.
soap. You want to get it all down there because you don't want any
I
places
know,
not
can
to
you
get tanned.
imagine?
Smooth out the wrinkles.
Why would, I don't get it, like.
I have a feeling it's probably more like tan towel situation where it's not like instant.
All right, so let's set the timer.
10 minutes? 15 minutes. Kidding.
Let's
10.
do 10 minutes. Let's meet me in the middle. Meet me in the middle.
That is not
such a good song.
what that song sounds like.
So baby.
Eyebrow extensions.
Fun.
So
I've
we have
always wanted
two
those.
of these kinds. Yeah. So I'll do one on each. And it says in English on the bottom, long-lasting eyebrow extensions.
And it says, really? Right there.
Yeah. Oh, with
Three
three Ys.
Y's. Really? So.
Okay.
This is for
For
thin,
reals.
sparse eyebrows.
I can't. This looks like it is a little brush with maybe some glue on it and then just hairs.
What? Wait, there's dangling hairs coming
Ugh!
out.
This looks like
disgusting.
if you like wax someone's pubes, put them in like a little
That
thing with
might
some
be very
glue.
well what that is. That's disgusting. Ew. Oh. Wow, Lil. Oh my gosh. Is it staying on well? Like,
No.
this seems like a very strange product. It looks like a sardine.
It looks like a hairball that a cat threw up. Oh.
Oh, and so natural and effortless.
It really, I got the right color too.
So chic. Is this real human hair? You doubt it. I don't. I got you another one so we could really.
No.
Oh, you want to go full stash?
Oh.
Oh, you want a Fu Manchu. Anytime I see a man with one of these, I'm like, break me off a piece of that.
They're called flavor savers, aren't they?
Look at that. You look like Guy Fieri if I've ever seen him before. Here, try this one now on the other eyebrow so we can get like a side-by-side situation. Get the wax, which is, okay.
In the top?
The middle one, the white one, that one, yeah. And get the angled side of the brush. So you just apply that first and then you do that after.
Oh.
And you use the rounded end.
Well, and so this is powder. So this is what this looks like if you didn't watch the Sound Guy episode. It's just powder that kind of clings to your hair already. These are hairs. So I think this will be better. So
I wonder how tan I am underneath this right now. I'm pretty excited.
I don't feel like it does anything different than...
I don't think it looks as good. I think it looks
I would rather
worse
just
than
use
other
powder.
products. Yeah.
This is obviously much more
really?
legit. I would go with neither and just use normal eyebrow stuff.
Yeah.
Eyebrows microbladed, life-changing.
100%.
Okay.
Sure.
What's next?
All right, next up, let's try, okay, so I actually was at dinner with one of our coworkers, and she was like, oh, have you ever heard of this Clevver, I think is the brand, and it's a melting lip powder, and it's literally this powder that like turns into lipstick. That's the applicator, and it's powder if you look in there, and when you put it on, it just like stays on, and it's a good stain. She said it never comes off.
You just put it on?
Yeah. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that weird?
It's like wet and cold when you touch it to your lips.
It's magic. It's so surreal.
No, I don't. No.
No, you don't like it?
It's confusing me. How? Like, have you tried it?
No, I just saw her do
Literally,
it.
powder?
Whoa! It becomes a liquid when it touches your skin.
If you missed that when I said it.
Look.
Like, I don't. Jill, come over here.
Jill,
show that surprise look on camera. Bridget, too. That's what just came out of this.
Let me see the timer. The timer.
Oh, no.
Hold on. Okay, great. My tan is off.
Okay, do you need to wipe it off?
Do I
after?
do anything now? Oh, what did we say there?
Lightly massage the excess serum around the eyes and hairline, blending into neck and the décolletage.
Wow, I really hope this works, because if it doesn't, can you imagine me just having
What are you laughing at?
Nothing.
Just facial hair.
You just look so pretty. It brought me to joy. I want to try some of this lip stuff though on my lips.
Wait, yeah, come back.
Come back, ladies.
Okay, so literally you can see like this is like shaking around powder in there. Even look at it's coming off there as powder.
Now pull out your arm.
Whoa. It's mind blowing and I don't get it.
Wait, this one didn't work as much. Hold on.
Jill?
Try.
That is liquid. This is like a
how
pest.
pigmented it is?
So pigmented.
Honestly, I was pretty kind of skeptical about this, but I don't understand.
I'm gonna go out on a limb and say that was like my most genuine reaction I've ever had to anything on any of the channels we record.
Isn't that crazy?
This is a cheek tint too. Try it on your cheeks.
Does it blend?
Do a little smile right there. Boop. Oh. Here, let's blend it.
I thought it looked nice like that though.
I don't know what to say.
I really don't like the color very much, but I'm just fascinated by it.
This is something that we're
Moving
going to
on.
be equally excited about, I think. Eyeliner strips. Do you remember when we did all those stencils and we looked flawless?
Leave a comment below if you actually use a makeup stencil. I don't think. See, it's hard. It's too hard. Yep, that's what happened to me too.
Slowly remove the backing. Shade in zone 2. Zone 2 is right there.
Okay. It's an eyeliner like sticker, so that's the wing. And then you color it in and like stamp it on.
Oh, I thought that it was going to be black
I thought
on
when
the
I
other
saw
side.
these originally that they were actually like tattoos, but it's a stamp essentially.
Okay, so you shade in this part,
Yeah.
I guess? Wow.
But not like that
No? Why not?
because you're stamping that onto your.
Oh,
eye.
I should have already done it. Hold on. Backing the train up. I'm going to get a new one like this, right?
It says literally the first step is remove the backing, but it's the sticky side that you need to.
Oh, the other side? Crap. What does it say?
I think
Gently lift it away from the eyelid to reveal the perfect cat eye.
Perfect.
Gently reveal. I love a good reveal.
Can you just get a close-up of the amount that transferred?
There's just so much hair on your face.
There was
It's
just
really hard to
a
see.
very, very small little piece right there. Did you color in the lines?
I mean, look at how much I put on there and it didn't even work.
Because you're not peeling the backing off.
I don't get it.
There's literally, you're not following the first instruction. It's supposed to be off like this.
the whole backing? That makes no sense.
Slowly remove backing. Shade in zone 2.
Pill zone 3 apart? What do you mean pill zone 3 apart? See?
Oh, there's another one that comes off and then you do it like that. Got it. Then you don't have to color in the lines. It don't make sense. Oh, how did that even happen? Like, there wasn't even...
You look
like
so,
how...
so ridiculous.
You wanna take a picture?
It's great.
It transferred. That's about all we'll say. The shape honestly
best.
isn't bad, and then if you wanted, you could. Everyone gets really mad. I pull my eyelashes to my eyeliner, but you could always like fill it in, maybe.
Vamp stamp.
Or
What is
you're gonna
this?
screw it up, and that's why you used it to begin with. But you know.
Okay, so this is apparently an eyeliner that comes with one side as an eraser. I'm into this.
Perfect.
Hold on. I'm just gonna show you like how crazy it can look.
I watched the Nikki tutorials video on this, and it's more like a felt tip with makeup remover on it. I almost feel like you could use like
Anything else.
You could use a quill.
Oh no, I just pulled the whole thing out.
Oh. You know, I like the idea. It's funny because it's literally, the pen doesn't really do anything. You just need a felt tip and eye makeup remover. So like, it really could be made several different ways, but if they're the first ones to do it, then good job. But let's see if like, it's clean now, just one line like straight through it.
Oh, that's cool.
Honestly, this is pretty good.
This thing.
Oh, we're not done?
No, this is a roller wheel look. It's got a tiny little baby wheel at the end. Wow, that's insane. That's insane.
This is very satisfying.
Hold
I would
on.
love to see someone do like calligraphy with this.
I'm gonna try it on my eye that has no makeup. This is insane.
Can't see.
The pens sometimes have little fibers that'll come
And
off.
it can like,
This does
more
not.
precise.
And feel it. You can feel the little wheel moving on your face. It's a baby wheel. Isn't that weird?
I don't like it. When I do like a winged eyeliner, I feel like I kind of like flick it to get the wing, and I need like a felt tip. This doesn't have it like a point, so it's hard to.
It's hard to get that wing. Do you want to check this out?
Oh, I forgot about this. Maybe we should have started with this. It's the photo filter gel cushion. Ooh.
What is that? Is that edible?
So this is just like when we tried all of those foundation, like it was like the rubber beauty blenders.
This is really. It looks like a fingerprint.
I just kind of want to like squish it.
And that's what you use instead of a
put on
beauty
makeup?
blender? Oh my gosh, this makes so much sense because it looks like a fingerprint. It mimics your finger.
Then why does everyone give me so much for putting my makeup on with my
Only
hands?
because I think they're like, oh, it's not sanitary.
You can wash them, then why does it
Exactly.
matter?
Those are from a bunch of people who don't wash their hands when they go number 2. You're the reason we had H1N1. And it says because it's at that diamond angle, it's able to get into all the little crevasses of your face.
Like crevasses.
Yeah.
Honestly, it's just like another step that I have to like apply. Like I have to put the foundation somewhere and then I have to do this. I'm like, it's easier to just like.
And it feels good, but I do like the tortilla best.
For me work.
It's working. No, it's not just working, Lily.
It's kind of flawless.
It's flawless.
It looks airbrushed.
Anyway,
Wow.
I think we're done. So I don't know if this is what you would call a full face of weird makeup, but it's like parts of my face.
And I think my face is definitely more tan and is going to continue to get more tan throughout the day.
But
Maybe
hopefully not too tan.
Maybe not too tan.
Let us know what product was your favorite, if you've tried any of these, or if you have any more weird makeup products that we
And
should
you
try.
guys freaking try this stuff because we need more people in the world to understand what Clee is.
It's so cool. It's literally powder to liquid.
And also, if you're super into like, I don't know, getting a mustache or like a little goatee sit.
We recommend this Asian brand and not Topic.
It's called Really.
Anyway, I think that's it. We have had a long day and really need to go home.
Salutations.
I'm so sorry.
For even more Clevver style, click right here because guys, we finally went to Cabo. And while we were there, we may have put some dares on Instagram and let you guys pick what we did. There was a booty shaking contest involved. Just click it, please. And then subscribe. Thank you.